In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank account on Zoho Books after you've uploaded your bank statement. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing company finances, reconciling your bank account is an essential step to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books website. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. This is where you'll find an overview of your financial data, a great tool to quickly assess where everything stands. But for today, we'll be focusing on the reconciliation process. After landing on the dashboard, what you want to do next is navigate to the active accounts section. This is where all the linked bank accounts are displayed. You want to find the specific account you plan to reconcile. The active accounts page will help you manage every bank account you've set up in Zoho Books, listing recent transactions for easy management. Once you've located your account, the next step involves making your way to the settings. Look for a settings option related to your banking transactions. This is typically where you'll find options associated with managing your account preferences and ensuring that everything is configured correctly before moving forward. Now it's time for the key part of the process, the reconciliation. Click on Reconcile Account. This will take you to a dedicated screen specifically designed for this task. From here you'll have the option to review the uploaded statement against the transactions recorded in Zoho Books. Ensure that your uploaded bank statement is visible here. This is crucial because you'll need to cross-check entries to verify that all transactions match accurately. After ensuring everything is in place, you'll see an option to Reconcile Now. Go ahead and click on that. It's your confirmation that you're ready to start the process of verifying each transaction. You may be prompted to review any discrepancies to decide whether they need adjusting before proceeding further. Finally, once you are all set with your review, click on Start Reconciliation. This final step confirms that all transactions have been accounted for and reconciled correctly. This is a crucial checkpoint as it helps solidify the accuracy of your financial records. And there you have it, your account is now reconciled and your financial records are up to date in Zoho Books. Remember, regular reconciliation helps maintain financial health and prevents any potential discrepancies from snowballing into larger issues. Thanks for following along and feel free to reach out with any questions. Until next time, keep your finances accurate and organized.